Hey everyone, and today we're gonna be making a new rug. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go over to the screener and find a coin which you want to copy. Now this coin has to be trending, it has to be good. We recommend that you choose a AI coin because it's a trending topic. And you can see, look, the literal top coin is AI, and we have a little more AI coins. So don't have a bit top coin because it's too obvious. Everyone knows top trending. Make sure it's past at least the top 8 or 9. As you can see, just clicked on our random coin, and so I just clicked on our random coin, and as you can see, they rope pulled this one. It actually looked like it did pretty good. So it's obviously a winning format. It got investors. Now, as you can see here, it did get some investors, and then obviously they sold some of the supply. This also was supply, then they just sold all of it. So we're gonna be copying this one because it looks like this one is a winning format. Okay, so we just copy it. Go to create your token on a website, on a token launching website. I recommend using Luno because it gets your coin listed higher at the screener, so you get more buyers. So you want to put your token name, token just now. The reason I say it gets listed higher, literally, bro, go type up on all these other websites like I don't know, CoinFast, these are CoinWorench, whatever. Bro, go watch their videos. They list the coin, get like maximum 50 buyers. No, not even that, like maximum 20 buyers. They hold in, go with soul, and then yeah. But it's so realistic. Like a real coin gets buys, sells all from different wallets, all differently. But obviously in the new videos they're faking it. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do. So you want to put the supply as 1 billion. So put 1 and then 9 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Now let me copy the image. Now we're just going to copy their description. When you come over to the end, now these are the revoke access authorities, so you want to select these so you can actually rope pull it. Set this free, and we're going to do creator info. Now this is truly optional, but we're going to do it so the coin adds legitimacy to the token, so more people think it's real, and the people actually sniping in the transition, they're just gonna look at it and be like, okay, everything works out, everything checks out. So, yeah, and then they invest. Okay, so I'll come back when I've done this. Also for the social tags, we're gonna add social tags as well. Now this is optional once again, but I do recommend adding this. Same reason for this token, no one's going to invest if you just, if it's just a coin with no Telegram link or Twitter or website, it's just gonna look like a fresh coin on the market, nothing's there. It's just some random shit coin, I guess, with no socials attached to it. So yeah, I'll get back when I've made this. Okay, so there you go. I have the Telegram name, the Twitter, the website, whatever, all this stuff completed. So now you just wanna, before you click launch, just create your wallet. Simple as so. Now you want to click launch token. Let's wait. Proceed. Confirm. Now the reason it says all listed because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. It's pretty much the exact same. You just need to get your token address a little bit a different way. So yeah. So now we're waiting for it to load because we made our token. Just wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, your 200 minutes is created. Okay, so now you want to click copy, click view on Solana button, just so you don't lose your current. As you can see, there we go. Token computers, everything, blah blah. You want to refresh the Solana page, refresh the token launch page. If it's load, and you want to click on liquidity pool, it's going to open up Radium. You can do it this way, or you can just go into Google and type Radium yourself, blah blah, whatever. Click on liquidity, create. You want to click standard MM. That MMA, my bad. Okay, so now you want to get your current address, click copy. Okay, now you want to swap this out for, then you want to swap the bottom one out for Sol, and then the top one should go blank. There we go, put your token address in there from the Solana Explorer. Now we got to make the liquidity, simple process, just like this to 900%, so pretty much we own 900% of the supply. Nice, and then with your BS, you're not losing anything, you're just putting it into the liquidity, and then when you take it out, you get your money back. So it's literally just using your money for the liquidity. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna select 4 for Sol. You wanna come here, select number 2, and then you wanna click initialize liquidity pool. Now just wait for this, you should get a Phantom wallet pop up, blah, blah, blah. Let's open this out. Okay, so it's taking out from Sol to your tokens. They'll go 900. Okay, so click confirm. Okay, your pool has been successfully created. Okay, so now you want to go over to portfolio, you want to go to standard, then you just want to keep refreshing on this page until you can see your liquidity pool. Now it's not here yet. It usually takes about 5-10 minutes to get here. But yeah, okay, so for now we're going to go back onto this Solana Explorer. You want to select your token address, and then you want to click onto any random client. and then go over to the top, this line address, and just swap it out for your token name like this, and then it should load onto your token. Just wait for this. Okay, nice. And it's loading. Okay, there we go. It's loaded. As you can see, we added the liquidity, 90 million. Okay, so it's on. We have some buys and sells. These are just snipers now. Okay, nice. So I'll cut it on the market. The current liquidity is 1K. Now, obviously, we own $400 of that, and the rest is the liquidity, obviously $600. So whenever someone buys, we own 40% of the liquidity. So if this goes to 100K, then we make 40K pretty much. You know, if your coin goes to $1 million, then you make 400K. So yeah, guys, just imagine if your coin goes to like $10 million, then, you know, it's easy for $1 million. So yeah, it's pretty cool how this reporting stuff works, but it's actually, you know, it surprised me also. It's very simple. But yeah, so now as you can see, the perk rated 2 minutes ago. We're just gonna wait, guys. I'm just gonna wait like 5 to 10 minutes for the buyers to start coming, because it hasn't been truly listed yet. You know, just seeing this is other coin. So I'll put on a time lapse, or, you know, I'll come back. You want to go over to Radium, just refresh. Okay, there you can see our precision is here. Now you just want to click over to this minus button right here. And then you want to, there we go. You want to slide this bar all the way to the right. Okay, there we go. We can take out 9 SOL now. So we're going to take out this 9 SOL. Not yet. It says we can take out 1.7K. Now a lot of people's getting confused. Pretty much we own like half of this. You know, we don't own 1.7K. We'll get like 1K out, or like 1.1K, something like this. But yeah, let's go over to our coin. Let's see how it's doing. It's still getting buyers. The chart's doing pretty good. It's actually looking very healthy. It's just went up, down, transaction, you know, people bought the dip. Now I'm just waiting, you know, see what happens. And I might road pull it now because, you know, obviously people are going to sell as there's no motion in the coin. Yeah, okay, the motion has kind of stopped. See if anyone's gonna buy in the last seconds. Okay, no, we're probably gonna road pull it. So when you road pull it, you wanna go over to Radium, you know, select it all the way to the top. Let me just refresh, make sure there's no more buyers. Go here. Okay, 1.9K. Okay, let's road pull it. So 9.4 SOL, you wanna click remove liquidity. Also, I told my mate to invest some money into this coin to show you what it would say when they try taking their funds out, you know, after you have removed the liquidity. And as you can see here, it literally just says error fetching the code route. Please try changing the code, blah, blah, blah. And you want to click on the security jack, or draw into your password, whatever. Okay, there we go. Open it up. So I'm gonna click confirm. And then there you go. Remove liquidity confirmed. So you want to go and open your wallet back up. Okay, there you can see 1,100. Now, it wasn't exactly the 1,700, you know, it was only like half of that. So 1,100. Now we started off with, I forgot, we had like 3 or 4 SOL. And yeah, so we've made a couple SOL of this now. So this was actually a winning narrative, so I can see why this worked. But yeah, we got away with just a couple $100, almost $600. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to do this, go over to nomage.net. Now, guys, just a quick warning. I'm not saying like, though, go make a coin and it's going to go to $1 million back up. Make a good coin. Like, go onto next year and actually pick a winning coin. Pick a coin that's worth folly. Let me just go on this coin right here. Okay, fringe game market cap. It's clearly a winning narrative, whatever this is. Let me turn off the 1 second so it doesn't look. Oh, okay. His coin got road pulled as well. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah. As you can see, they got a lot of buyers and they road pulled. You know, it's looking legit, I guess. So, you know, you want to be copying these narratives what are actually working. Like, here's what SPM, I don't know what this is. I don't know, some anime show or some shit. But yeah. So guys, if you want to do this, then go over to Lore and go make your card. And tell me what goes, chat. Make a comment. Tell me your success stories. Tell me if you've done any reports in the past on how much you made. Stuff like this. But yeah, guys, much love and look forward to seeing you in the next video.